So, anyway, we're going to be using, y'all, this little, look at this, how pretty this little witch is. So I like this paper. This is by Digital Deco Designs. All right, so we are going to wrap this around this bottle. Okay, so I'm just going to take my bottle. I usually use Mod Podge, but I'm going to use this decoupage gel. It's by Redesign, y'all. So I'm using this tonight on this paper. Now, Kathy's papers from Digital Deco Designs, they are, I'm not painting this bottle at all, because I want those lights to shine through, so I don't want to paint any, not even the back. So this paper is not, it's pretty thick, so so this is going to wrap around pretty nicely. We're going to cut it. I'm just going to trim it a little bit. That's my little witch. Isn't she cute? So when you put lights, all this lights up. It's really cute. I just wish I would have thought about my lights. I don't have them. Okay, so we are going to use some molds on this, y'all. Hopefully they didn't dry too much. I use the Iron Orchid Design Trimmings 3. This is Trimmings 3. Oh, let me show you. So it's this one. So it's all these different trims. I love this one. This one's really, I guess I might have it backwards. This one's really, really nice, y'all. Really nice. And then they have it to where if you need to continue, if you need a long trim right in here, that you can continue it without it looking like you're piecing it together. So it's really cool. So I am using one of those, and I'm going to use my Heavy Body Gel by Pint Art. Okay, so this Heavy Body Gel, you can use it for different things. I'm using it to glue. It's like a glue, so I'm using it to glue this on. Okay, so we have that on the bottom. There, isn't she cute? She's just cute. And then we're going to put this one up here on the top. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so we have this, got that mold on there and on the bottom. I need to paint this, and we're going to use some black chalk paint. Now I'm just using this Waverly chalk paint in the color ink, and the color is just a black. In the color. Really, I should have probably painted it first. It's going to get on my paper, but that's okay. We're just going for it. We're going to paint it black. Okay, so we've got this. Let's play with some wax. So let's just try some of these. Let me see what that's gonna look like. I kind of like that. So, isn't that cute? I like that. I like the way that came out. Alright, just for the heck, just for fun, I'm just gonna see what this looks like. I think you can see that too, that little color right there. On in there a little bit of orange. I'm going to start this up here and then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to do it this way. I don't like the other way of wrapping, so I'm going to do it this way. Okay, so we have our bottle here. So we have, like, I love that cat. Look at that cat. He's cute. I like that cat. Here is a pumpkin. I think these, I have a mixture of, here's a ghost. I have a mixture of the Halloween and, I don't know what this is, fall maybe, I don't know. Got the skull, that's kind of cute. He's kind of scary looking. In the antique bronze, I think I'm going to use him. We'll use a pumpkin and a skull. How's that? I'm going to use a pumpkin down here. I need some bling. Let me put this other pumpkin on here, and I think we'll call this one good. Okay, so here's that skull. He's on a skull on this paper. And then I've got pumpkins down there. So, anyway, I'm just showing you what you can do with it. But here's another little bottle. Y'all, this is another digital deco design for Halloween, scary, whatever. Oh, so we can put this little ghost on here. How cute is this? That look, there's a little ghost there. And then on this side, I think I'm gonna put a little black cat. Anyway, I put some little lights in here too, and she lights up. All that lights up too. So there's her and that little ghost. And yeah, I'm gonna do the same with this one. I'm gonna do the I'll just show y'all what that looks like. Put together there. I had two little moles put together, but for your decorations, I think they're cute. So go and get you some bottles, play around with these bottles. But yeah, she is super, super cute. There's our little pumpkins. Have a blessed night. I will see y'all next week. Right.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.